Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the artifact feature in order to create a web page in QwenLM AI. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for QwenLM AI. From the search results, navigate to the chat.QwenLM.ai link and open up its website. Once you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to use the artifact feature, in this text field over here, you can see the artifacts option. Click on this to enable this feature. After this feature is enabled, you can now give prompts to create a web page. So I'll give a prompt to create a web page. You can be more specific in your prompts. You can add as much as keywords as you want, which will make your instructions very clear so that you can get your desired output. For now, I'll just give this random instruction. I'll send this message now. Now the QwenLM AI is processing this. It might take a few moments. And there you go. It has come up with a basic web design. You can go through it. You can take this design as a reference and make changes to it in order to create a more customized design for yourself. If you click on this cross button, you can even get a code for this. So this can be a starting point for your project. So that's it. That's how you can easily use the artifact feature in order to create a web page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.